multiplied by 2 denominators of the fractions that are 3 and 2. So we have taken LCM for 3 and 2. We got 6 there. So 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. So because the 3 table will be getting 2 times 2 by 2. 2 table 3 by 3. So that's the reason we multiply 3 by 3 the numerator and denominator. So 2 by 6. So numerator is 15 by 6. So now we can compare these two fractions because the denominators are same. So we call them like fractions. Like fractions can be compared. So which is a greater fraction we can say, and also we can add them. So here comparison of two fractions, that is here denominators is same. So when the denominators are same, then we compare the numerators. So 15 is greater than 2. So that's the reason 15 by 6 is always greater than 2 by 6. So let's see how to add these two fractions. So when the denominators are same, we can add the numerators easily. That is 2 plus 15. So we'll take only one time of the denominator, 6 and 6, as only one denominator will take. 6 is the denominator part because there is same denominator. So different numerators, we'll add them in the addition of the fractions. So 2 plus 15, so 17, we'll be getting 17 by 6. So this is the process to add the like fractions. So let's see the next concept. Let's take some other example, the same concept, like fractions which are having with different denominators. So 1 by 2, 3 by 6 and 2 by 9. And these are unlike fractions. So in these unlike fractions which are having the same denominator, different denominators, fractions which are having different denominators, how we'll compare them? Let's see. So 1 by 2, 3 by 6 and 2 by 6, 2 by 9. And this, let's see the denominators 2, 6 and 9. First we need to take the LCM of these denominators, that is 2, 6, 9. Take the LCM of 2, 6 and 9. So I will be getting 2 first. Let us take 2. Because 1 time, 3 times, we have learned the process of taking the LCM in the previous classes. That is 1 time, 3 times, and this will not cancel 9. So now 1, 3, 9 will not be getting in 2 table. So let's go to the next one. That is next number 3. So we'll take the same one because it doesn't go in that. So 3 table 1 time this and this 3 times. So let's take again 3 because there is a 3 here. So 1, 1 and 1. So when we are taking LCM, so there is a process of multiplication of this all the common multiples. So that is 2. LCM is 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 into 3 is 18. So 18 is LCM of these 3 numbers. 18 is LCM. We need to get denominator as 18. So let's try these fractions. So 1 by 2, 3 by 6 and 2 by 9. So we need to get 18 in the denominator. So that's the reason. So we'll multiply with a constant number, the numerator and denominator. So to get 18 as a denominator, and 2 table we'll get 18 as 9 times. So 9 by 9, taking the numerator 9 by 9, because if you multiply with the constant number in the numerator and denominator, the value of the fraction doesn't change. We know that. So we took 9 by 9. So because 2 into 9 is 18, that's the reason. So next one, so 6, so 6 is the denominator, so 6 should become 18, so 3 by 3, so when we multiply with 3 by 3, we'll be getting 18 there, so 3 by 3 we took. So here 9 in the denominator, 9 into 2 is 18, so 9 should become 18 there, so So that's the reason we need to multiply with 2 by 2. So now all the denominators, let us take 2 into 9, 18, 6 into 3, 18, 9 into 2, 18. So all the denominators 18 we got. The numerators, we don't bother about the numerators because those are different. Also we can add them or compare them if the denominators are equal. So we took all the fact multiples of this. So to get 18 9 times, to get 18 3 times, to get 18 2 times, we multiply the numerator and denominator. So let's simplify this. So 1 into 9, 9. By 2 9s are 18. So 3 into 3, 9 by 18. So 4 by 18. So let's check the denominators of these all the fractions. 18, 18, 18. So all the denominators are equal and this all. So these are called as like fractions. So like fractions can be compared. So we can see which fraction is greater in this. So let's observe that these two fractions are equal. So these two fractions are equal because we took 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 equivalent fractions we discussed earlier, which are having the same multiples, and we multiplied with a constant number. So the both are equal. Now, and this is 9 by 8, 18 and 4 by 18. So 4 by 18 is less than the 9 by 18. So 9 by 18 is greater than this 4 by 18. So in this manner we can compare the fractions, so which are having different denominators. We got the different denominators and we multiply by taking the LCM with the constant number, and then we can compare the fractions in this manner. So this is the concept about fractions which are having the different denominators. Until now we have discussed the fractions and the types of fractions and equivalent fractions and simplest form of fractions and comparison of order of fractions and fractions with the same denominator and fractions with different denominator. So let's discuss about addition and subtraction of like fractions and addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. So earlier we have discussed comparison of fractions which are like fractions and also unlike fractions. So the similar manner we'll do the addition of like fractions, addition and subtraction. So let's take some of the example. 3 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4, which are having the same denominators. We call them like fractions. We took some of the like fractions. So the process of adding like fractions are, we'll take the denominators as 1. So there are 3 denominators. We'll take only 1 as a denominator to add the fractions, like fractions. So we took, there is only 1 4 because there is a 4 in the denominator we know. So we took 4. Now the numerators are different then. So we'll take all the numerators 3, 7, 8. We'll add them, all the numerators. So let's add this 3, 7, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 by 4. So by using simplification of the fractions, like we cancel this 2 table. So 9 into 2, so 2 into 2. So let's see, this is a common number, this both. We'll cancel 2. So we'll be getting 9 by 2 as a simplification of this fraction, 18 by 4. So let's recall, when there are like fractions, we took the same denominator. What is the denominator? Because already like fractions will be having the same denominators. So we'll take 1 denominator as the 1 denominator, 4 we have taken. And the numerators, all the numerators will be added. 3 plus 7 plus 8. So we added all 3. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 by 4. So when we take a common number from it, take out the common number from it, 2, 2, get cancelled, 9 by 2. So this is a process of adding the like fractions. So let's see the subtraction of like fractions. It's the same process. Instead of addition, we'll do the subtraction of it. Right? 15 by 7 minus 6 by 7. So the process is same. So we'll take the same denominator as 1. So same denominator we have taken. There is only one denominator, that is 7. We will not take the 2 times as a denominator. So take 7 as a denominator because there is this common number 7. So numerators are different, 15, 6, and there is a minus symbol between, so minus. So 15 minus 6, let's subtract, we'll be getting 9, 9 by 7. Let's see if there is any common factor in this board. There is no common factor. So 9 by 7 is the simplification of these two like fractions, and this is the process of subtraction. Now let's see the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Let's take some of the example. 3 by 2, 5 by 4, and 7 by 3. Let's see here, 3 fractions are having these different denominators. So those are having the different denominators. We call them unlike fractions. So to add unlike fractions, there is a process. We need to make the denominators equal and then add them. So there is a 2 in the denominator, 4 in the denominator, and also 3 in the denominator. So let's take all the denominators and take the least common multiple of it, that is LCM of it. So LCM of 2, 4 and 3. So earlier classes we have discussed about LCM. So 2 table, there is 1 time in this 2. We see 3 because it doesn't go into 2, so we have written the same as it is. So there is no common number. The 2, if we have taken, it's the same, and also if you have taken 3, so 1, 1, 1. So we'll be getting here. We'll take these common numbers here. What we have taken, 2, 3, 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. So 4 into 3, that is 12. So 12 is the LCM here. We got 12 is the LCM. So we need to make all the denominators as a 12. So to get to compare the fractions, to add them or subtract them. So here we 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 7 by 3. So to get 12 in the denominator, we need to multiply with a constant number. So to get 12 here in the denominator, we need to multiply by 6 by 6 because 2 table will be getting 6 times 12. So that's the reason 6 by 6. So here 4 table, 3 by 3. At 3, there is a 3. We need to get multiplied with 4 by 4. So to get 12, so 4 by 4 we have taken. Now let's see, 2 6 are 12. 12 will be getting the denominator. 4 3s are 12. The denominator 12. And also 3 4s are 12. So let's multiply and write these all the numbers. So 3 6 are 18 by 12. Now 15 by 12. 7 4 is 28 by 12. So all the denominators are equal now. So when the denominators are equal, we know how to add them. So there is an easy process we need to add. We can add the denominators, but we can add the fractions if the denominators are same. So 18 by 12 plus 15 by 12, 28 by 12. So we'll take as only one denominator because all the denominators are same. Now we can add numerators. There is a process we have learned, addition, how to do addition of it. So we have taken 12. So the numerators will be added here. 18 plus 15 plus 28. So 18 plus 15 plus 28 are the numerators. We'll take the denominator as once. The numerators all will be added. So 8, 5, 13, 13, 21, we get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 61. So by adding all the numbers 12. So by adding all the numbers we got 61 by 12. Let's see if there is any common factor for this both the numbers, the numerator and denominator. There is no common factor. So to simplify, so 61 by 12. So this is the simplification of these all the factors. So finally we got 61 by 12 after simplification of after adding all the fractions of 3 by 2, 5 by 4 and 7 by 3. We got 61 by 12. So this is the process of adding two fractions, adding more fractions to add more fractions. So let's take one of the example of subtraction. The same process we'll do the subtraction. Now we have the addition. Let's take one of the example, that is 3 by 4, 7 by 12. So we need to subtract this both. So let's take first one. There is 3 by 4 and 7 by 12. So there is the denominators of 4 and 12. So let's take LCM for 4 and 12. When we have taken 4 and 12 LCM, we'll be getting 2 here 2 times, 6 times. We get 2, 1 time and 3 times. And 3 table there is 1 and 1. So 2 into 2 into 3. So 4 into 3, that is 12. So LCM is 12. What LCM is 12. When you get in the denominator 12, denominator we need to get 12. So to get 12, the denominator, so we need to multiply 4 by 3. So numerator also we need to take 3. So 4 we need to multiply with 3 because we need to get 12 the denominator to make the same denominators 3 by 3. So 12 is only 1 by 1 because 12 into 1 is 12 already. So we got here 12 and 12. So let's simplify this. 9, the numerator 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So when the denominators are equal, so 12 as an LCM, so 12 as one number we have taken, same denominator we took. So 9 minus 7, so 9 minus 7 is 2. So let's write this 2 by 12. So 2 by 12. So simplification of this 2, the numerator and denominator, there is a common factor. So we can write this one as 1 by 6. There is a common factor of 2 there. So 1 time 6 times. When we simplify this, we got 6. So there is the same process of addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. We make the denominators equal and we'll add them, or we'll make the denominators equal. Then after we subtract them and try the process of LCM. So this is a process of adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Up till now we have discussed about addition and subtraction of like fractions and also addition and subtraction of unlike fractions.